Welcome to the VIBES Knowledge Hub, a new learning platform built for you to level up your MVH expertise. Here you will find different kinds of materials, from theoretical articles to full step-by-step workflows. Learn how to use VIBES software with training modules for different levels of expertise. These modules include detailed explanations and DIY sections. After completing a training module, you can take an exam and earn a personal certificate. Now it's time to put theory into practice. The VIBES solutions are built to address your NVH challenges. Level up your NVH engineering processes by learning how to use these solutions and how to apply them. Next to interactive learning activities, there are detailed articles on features and workflows to take your knowledge to the next level. Are you a software user? Get exclusive access to release notes and webinar recordings. You can take it from here. Log in to read, learn, and level up.